Play nice in the sandbox, though you feel like kicking sand. Everybody's got a story, have to listen to understand. You can choose to lift and make a holy shift, dig deep and speak your truth. Play nice in the sandbox, change begins with you.
Key findings of our research indicates that there is more conflict in the workplace currently than there was pre-pandemic, according to global respondents who answered questions about their current workplace, common stressors, and typical conflicts. 55% of respondents indicate that there is more conflict in the workplace currently than there was pre-pandemic. I highly recommend that you download this interesting research. Here's a few points you'll gain from it. Number one, workplace conflict has increased despite the fact that over 63% of respondents are not physically going into a workplace, compared to 10% who claim home as their usual place of work pre-pandemic. Number two, people are avoiding appropriate attempts to work through the conflict that's brewing amongst employees of all levels in the organization. And number three, employees are pressured by their workload, but they aren't talking about it to their managers. These hidden red flags, induced by workload and personal demands, could result in burnout very soon. In fact, burnout's already happening. So grab your copy and dig in. The old expression that distance erodes trust couldn't be more true, as we aren't gathering around the boardroom table as much, or ever, with so many working remotely. 30% of those who responded felt unstable about their job, stemming from a lack of communication and social disconnection. 44% would feel more safe with new policies for safety at work. Policies are boundaries, and people feel safe when boundaries exist and are enforced. Easier said than done, but hey, if you can't find your way, call us for help. We offer in-person and virtual services of conflict resolution, training, planning strategies, and accountability with our 4-step sandbox system. Book a discovery call today at pennytremblay.com.
Everybody's got a story, have to listen to understand. You can choose to lift and make a holy shift, dig deep and speak your truth. Play nice in the sandbox, change begins with you.